Now in today's video we are going to be talking about the CERAVE Resurfacing Retinol Serum, and this product, okay, is perfect for people who have an acne prone skin because it helps to clear your acne marks, it helps to treat redness on your skin, and it also helps to treat textured skin on your skin. But honestly, my darlings, we are not here to review this particular retinol serum, but rather I am going to be sharing with you different ways that you can differentiate between the fake and the original of this CERAVE Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Hi there, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am filming from Abuja, Nigeria. Now, if this is your first time of seeing this pretty face, or for some reason you've been watching my videos and you're not a member of this awesome family yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button below to be a part of this awesome family. Turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I upload a new video on this channel. Also, most importantly, please click on the thanks button, click on the join button, and of course share out this video, like this video, and leave your comment in the comment section below as you watch this video. Now, this video was requested by one of you and I am here to fulfill my promise for you who have requested this video and for every other person across the internet, across the globe, who is looking for how to identify the fake from the original CERAVE Resurfacing Retinol Serum. And now, with all of that said, let us head straight into the main purpose of this video. Now, one very quick way that you can know if what you have in your hand is the original CERAVE Resurfacing Retinol Serum is to just look at the packaging. Honestly, when I took a look at the two CERAVE Resurfacing Retinol Serums, the first thing I saw, okay, that caught my eyes, you guys, was that silver panel at the bottom. Yes, you know, after they've written all the descriptions and everything, just at the bottom of the bottle, you are going to see a silver panel that has the words encapsulated retinol written on it, and it is written in black on a silver panel. And now on the fake one, that silver panel is very dark. It gives this kind of color, okay, this color of my wardrobe here, while on the original CERAVE Resurfacing Retinol Serum, that silver panel is actually lighter. It is way lighter. Of course, I'm going to be leaving a picture here for you to see what I'm talking about. Now, this one excites me because in most cases, these people who produce the fakes of this product are usually very smart, such that you can hardly tell from the packaging of that product if what you have is the fake or the original. But in this case, they're not smart rich, okay, and I'm going to be telling you what it is, okay. Now, when you look at the container, okay, how do I call it, the sticker around the container, okay, that thing that looks like a shade of color, that is the major background or theme of the container or the bottle, rather, of this resurfacing retinol serum, you're going to find that one has this metallic color, while the other one has a white, normal white color, okay. Now, the one with the metallic color is the fake, and the one with the white sticker or white background is the one that is original, okay. I hope you understand that, okay. I mean, from the pictures I'm going to be showing you here and here, you're going to understand better what I am trying to explain to you. Now, I'm going to be taking you quickly back to that silver panel that is at the bottom end of the CERAVE Resurfacing Retinol Serum bottle. When you look at those words that were written in that silver panel, encapsulated retinol, on the original one, that phrase, okay, is aligned in the middle of the silver panel. And honestly, you need to have a bit of an eagle eye for you to not skip this particular one, because on the fake, that word or phrase is encapsulated retinol is aligned to the bottom of the silver panel. So you can see that there is more space in between the top of where the letters start to the top of the silver panel, as against the original where the words or the phrase is written and aligned in the middle of the silver panel. And of course, another quick thing that I noticed, okay, you guys, and it was more obvious when I turned to the back of the CERAVE Resurfacing Retinol Serum, and that is the letterings. The fonts are actually the same, but the difference is that on the fake Resurfacing Retinol Serum, the font is bigger in size and is bolder. I mean, if you know how to type, if you type, you know there's a difference between, you know, words, okay, written in normal font and then the ones that are written in bold font. The fake one has those bold letterings and bigger in size letterings, while the original one has the normal letterings, okay, that is not in italics and is not bold, and of course is smaller in size, just perfect size for the eyes to read. And of course, still looking at the back of these containers, okay, if you look at that place where the number, the LOT number is written, the one on the fake is very big. Like they're making it so obvious and putting it in our eyes to tell us that yes, this is the LOT number. But on the original one, the LOT number is lighter and is not bold, okay, even if it is a bit bigger inside than the other fonts that were used to, you know, write the description and all of the product at the back of the container, but it is not bold, okay, you guys. I mean, you can see what I'm talking about here. So please, anyone with the LOT number bold like this is the fake, okay. The original has its LOT number in normal font letterings. And of course, another way that you can tell if what you have is the fake or the original CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum is to look at the texture. And I mean, at this time, okay, let's assume that for some reason you skipped the packaging. At this time, you'd have already spent your money, okay. That's the good thing about having to be able to spot the fake from the original from the packaging, okay. But if otherwise is the case, when you press out the content of the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum that you have, if what you have has this dark yellowish hue to it, okay, this dark yellowish color, I mean, you're going to be seeing a picture here for you to see what I'm talking about, okay, for better illustration. That one with the dark yellowish hue is fake and is obviously thicker in consistency if you pay attention to it, while the original one, okay, which is, I mean, I already separated it with the red and the green mark, okay, while the one with the green mark closer to it, as you can see, is the one that is lighter in consistency, is lighter in color. It is not very runny, okay, the consistency is not runny, but then it is not as thick as the fake one, and you can see that the color is lighter. It is even giving this, you know, very light metallic yellowish metallic color, which makes it look like it is shiny, okay, or it is shinier than the fake one. So please do not be mistaken. Now, before I bring this video to a close, let me give you this last bonus tip. In some cases, this might not always apply, because I mean, sometimes these people are careful enough to actually put this particular one in place, and other times they are not careful enough, okay. But I'm here to clarify that, and that is that every original CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum always has an expiry date written at the bottom of the packaging, okay, that box that the retinol serum comes in. If you check underneath, if you flip it, okay, up, you're going to see the expiring date written right there. And in some cases is the LOT number that is written there in bold lettering as well, okay. But in the fake, there's usually no expiring date, and on no incident will you even find the LOT number. Now, when the LOT number is written at the bottom or on the bottom of that packaging, it is not what's the right one now, it is not printed on it, it is imprinted on the pack and not written in words practically, okay, you guys. And that, my darlings, brings me to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comment section below. From watching this video, if you already have this serum at home with you, do you think what you got is the fake or the original? Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope that this also guides you so that when next you go shopping for your CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum, you are sure to be getting the original. Now, if there are other products that you would like me to help you differentiate between the fake and the original, whether they are body creams, lotions, serum, shower gels, any product that you use on your face and on your body that you want me to help you differentiate between the fake and the original of this product, drop them in the comment section as you watch this video. Now, and that brings me, my darlings, once again to the end of this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.